So I bulk recorded a bunch of videos on the same day and I forgot to do an intro for this one. So I'm using a different clip where I wore the same lipstick. You guys know that I have to always do my lippy. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Commercials here with another wig review. Now if you are new here, yay! Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. Welcome. Hopefully you will stay. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications. That way, anytime I upload, you'll get the notifications. I don't only do wigs, I do a whole bunch of other stuff. I like to call my channel more of a lifestyle channel. So I do fitness, clothing, nail videos. I cut my nails New Year's Day. So this is how they look. Today is February 6th. Yeah, today's February 6th. I've been doing a lot of wig videos lately, but I also do natural hair videos, family vlogs, contact lenses, glasses, a whole bunch of everything. And I have playlists for all of those. So make sure you check my playlist so you can see some of the other stuff that I do on this channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'm also on Instagram. I'm actually on a lot of social media, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. Most of them are under Camera Jewels. The links are in the description box below. Today I'm reviewing a wig from March Queen Wigs, which is an Amazon company. March Queen Wigs reached out to me to do a review. So thank you so much to March Queen Wigs for sending me this beautiful wig. If you're interested in this wig that I'm wearing, click the link above so that you can check out the review. And now before we get into the details of the wig that I'm reviewing today, we have to talk about the lippy. So the lippy that I'm wearing today is a collab liquid lipstick. And this is in the color Kink. So you've got this beautiful nude color. And now into the details of the unit. Headband is like a wig grip, so it's got that velvety texture, just like a wig grip. A wig grip sewn onto the wig. The color. Now I don't remember the name of the color right now, but I will look that up and put that in the description. You've got one comb here at the front, a comb here at the back, but there are no adjustable straps. So this wig also came with a cheetah headband, leopard, I don't know, cheetah, leopard. I have about 1 million of these. Wig sale, giveaways. Stay tuned because I am having some more giveaways and I will be having some wig sales very soon. So I'm gonna try this on very quickly. So this is how it looks with the headband. There's buttons. They've included 2 buttons in there. That way, if you want to put the buttons on, you can. I actually have a headband wig video where I show how to wear it with the button. Well, the buttons are very handy in that you can wear it with your mask. So as everyone knows, we're all wearing masks these days, and it can cause some irritation putting that little band on the back of the ears. Well, the buttons are located like right on this spot here on the headband, so you can actually hook the masks on. Check out my video. I do have a video showing that. I actually think I have a couple videos, but I will link it above, and it's in my headband wig playlist. So if you miss it, it's in my headband wig playlist. Now I'm getting tangling. So it tangles, guys. Straight out of the pack. Oh, hell no! Like, I just got this out of the pack. The hair is soft. There is some shedding. Ooh, there's a lot of shedding and tangling with this wig. Quite a bit of shedding, guys. Ooh. Very affordable wig. It is in the $20 range. I will put the price here on the screen somewhere. If you are interested in this wig, the link is in the description box below. It is very affordable. It's just the tangling. Color is very pretty. Okay, now with headband wigs, I have reviewed a whole bunch of headband wigs, so make sure you click the link above. So you click that little eye, go ahead, click it out, click, click, click. See, then you see a drop down of different videos that I've recommended in this video for you to check out. Synthetic, human, long, straight, short, curly, wavy, burgundy, blonde. We've got this color, so lots of different options. See, okay, so after brushing it, it's not so bad. It's actually, so maybe it's the way it was in the package, I don't know, but now I'm brushing it and it's going through. I've noticed with headband wigs, the straighter wigs are not as easy to restyle as the curlier wigs, and that's because the curlier wigs have more volume, they have more body, so it holds the style better. Whereas the straight ones, they're very flat, so it's very hard to restyle. can of course do a low ponytail. Like I could do this in a half up, half down. When you play around with it, it gets tangly. And that's what I don't like about some synthetic wigs. Look, see, it's now starting to tangle again. Yeah, I'm not, see, and now I'm gonna have to brush it again, and we're probably gonna get tangles again. Yeah, see, so once you start playing with it, it gets tangly again. This is a wig that if you are wearing it out, you are probably going to have to walk around. Look at that, yeah. You're probably gonna have to walk around with a brush to make sure you're still looking good, you know? What it looks like, this is the left side, this is the right side, this is the back. And for reference, I'm 5'2.5". Yes, the half counts. I'm not even gonna finish the rest of that, guys, because if you've been with me for a while, you know how that goes. And if you don't know how it goes, watch a few of my other videos. This is where it falls at the front. Very pretty. It's a very pretty wig. I love this color. Now, I believe they also have this in black or 1B. That is my review for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you get the notifications. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before we go, we gotta do the wig dance. Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig.